Good day, mates. I'm Soumya Malhotra, and today we are embarking on an incredible journey through Queensland, Australia, and the vibrant capital, Brisbane. Join me as we uncover the opportunities and experiences which makes this sunny destination the ideal choice for international students. Let's start the video by talking about Queensland first. It is the second biggest and third most populous state of Australia, having the population of over 5.3 million. It receives 261 days of sunshine each year. It is consisted of more than 100 islands. It has diverse geographical features and climate, having rainforest, coral reefs, mountain ranges, and sand beaches. Now let's cast the spotlight on the capital and vibrant city of Queensland, that is Brisbane. It is the most populous city of Queensland, having the population of approximately 2.6 million. It is located in the southeast Queensland. It is one of the popular tourist destinations. Brisbane is not just known for its stunning landscape, but it is also a hub of educational excellence. Follow me as we uncover the world-class universities and dynamic academic programs that set a stage for transformative international students' experience. Number 1. University of Queensland. The faculty at the UQ has the maximum number of national awards in Australia. That promises impressive guidance to the current and probable students. Number 2. Queensland University of Technology. It is the fastest growing public research universities located in Brisbane, Australia. Third, Griffith University is one of the top 10 universities in Australia in terms of published research work. Brisbane city life is a unique blend of excitement and relaxation. Together, we'll explore the iconic landmarks and the laid-back lifestyle, which makes Brisbane a city where every student can find their own rhythm. Number 1. South Bank Parklands. It is a hydrophilic park with range of activities. Second, Mount Coot-tha. It is specially for outdoor enthusiasts who love taking a hike. Third, Kangaroo Point Cliff. It is famous for adrenaline pumping activities, for example, abseiling or rock climbing. Fourth, Wheel of Brisbane. It is a 10-minute ride giving you a 360-degree view of extraordinary glimpse of landmarks. Now let's talk about one of the key elements of a student life, that is finding a perfect place to call home. Brisbane offers a wide range of accommodation options. Now we'll delve into these diverse options considering the cost of living for an international student. A student have two options. Number 1, on campus. It can cost you up to 2,050 to 3,000 Australian dollars, including gas, electricity, and water. You will be having a separate bill of mobile, which can cost you up to 45 to 125 Australian dollars. The second option will be off campus. It can cost you $210 per week for a shared accommodation and 620 Australian dollars per week for an entire apartment. Brisbane isn't just a place to study. It is a launchpad for your professional journey. Walk with me through the part-time job opportunities and internship that makes Brisbane a hub for hands-on experience and career development. The starting hourly pay in Brisbane is 22.54 Australian dollars. Some of the highest paid jobs in Australia, Brisbane are babysitter, meal delivery, delivery person, driver, personal trainer, and cleaner. As our journey through Brisbane comes to an end, remember that being an international student here isn't just about textbooks. It's about discovering a new way of life. Brisbane is not just a destination, it is a community that welcomes you with open arms, offering you a truly unforgettable chapter in your academic journey. Thanks for joining me on this immersive tour of Brisbane. And if you're ready to embrace a city that is not just about study but lifestyle, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights. May your Brisbane dreams be as bright as Queensland's sun. This is Soumya Malhotra signing off.